What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a powerful and easy to use software for your iOS device. Are you looking for a software that can back up your iOS device without iTunes, clean up your device, manage your device? If so, then I have the right software for you that can fix this problem easily. I introduced to you DearMob iPhone Manager, which is the perfect software for you. DearMob iPhone Manager is a safer and easier way to go. With this powerful iOS manager, you can either selectively transfer all or some of your iOS content to the iPhone without erasing existing data on the destination iPhone, or make an incremental backup of the old iPhone and restore it to the new iPhone. This software has many features and it's very stable, fast, safe and easy to use with no data erasing. The software also allows you to back up more than 17 types of iPhone files and data in just one click, backup encryption to protect your privacy, and it supports multiple iDevice connections via USB and Wi-Fi, and no iTunes needed. DearMob iPhone Manager runs independently without any Apple service. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to use DearMob iPhone Manager software. As you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. DearMob iPhone Manager is an amazing software to manage your iPhone without iTunes. You can transfer 10,000 photos between iPhone and computers within just 2 minutes, and also you can transfer music, videos, photos, contacts, messages, apps and apps data, ebooks and more between iPhone, iPad and your Mac. Transferring photos between your iPhone and your Mac is very easy, and now I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your Mac. First, go to the Photos option here, and as you see, you will find all the photos of your device. Okay, here I will select all the photos. Now here, if you want to delete the photos, just click delete. Okay, I'm gonna transfer the photos from my iPhone to my Mac. Now go ahead and click export. Here, select where you want to save the photos. Okay, I will choose desktop. Now click export. Just wait a few seconds and boom, as you see, the photos has been transferred in just 3 seconds. This is pretty awesome. The software is very fast and very stable. Alright, here as you see, this is my iPhone photos. If you want, you can manage your iPhone albums or add photos to your albums. You can from here create new albums and transfer photos, videos to your device, and it is very easy to use. Here in the music option, you can export all your iPhone music to your Mac easily, and also you can add music to your device, edit music and delete any music you want. Here you can transfer videos and movies from your iOS device to your computer. In backup option, here you can back up your device easily with just one click, and also you can encrypt your backup to protect your backup. The software can back up any iOS device. If you have already backed up your device, you will find your backups here, so you can restore them to your device easily anytime you want. Here you can manage all the files inside Files app. The software allows you to transfer contacts, podcasts, books, apps and apps data, SMS, bookmark, flash drive and more. DearMob iPhone Manager is an amazing and powerful iOS manager with the advantages of DearMob iPhone Manager, such as no iTunes needed, option to convert iPhone files to be more compatible with other devices, make iPhone ringtone, support GPU acceleration. This makes DearMob iPhone Manager is the perfect software for you. I recommend you guys to download it and give it a try. You will find the download link below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos guys, and peace.